Okay, guys, so we continue today with this new topic that is using object pronouns. El uso de pronombres, pronombres de objeto, de complemento. Okay, observe, guys. First of all, we have this. It says, my father is a doctor. My father works a lot. My father teaches at a university. Do you notice a problem here, guys? ¿Notan algún problema? Do you notice a problem? Yes, no. What is the problem here? Again, my father is a doctor. My father works a lot. My father teaches at a university. Exactly. The problem is too much my father, too much repetition. We already know that we're talking about my father. Ya sabemos que estamos hablando de mi papá. So, what can we do? Is it necessary to repeat this on every single sentence? ¿Es necesario repetir esto en cada oración? No, we can substitute with the subject pronouns. Los pronombres de sujeto, pronombres personales. My father. What is my father? Let's remember the subject pronouns first, guys. The subject pronouns, they are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. So my father, what corresponds to my father? Exactly. He. My father is a guy. He. So we make the changes. No, we have my father is a doctor. He works a lot. He teaches at a university. But this we already know it. Estos ya los conocíamos. I, you, he, she, we, you, they. Okay, now we continue with this. We're still talking about my father. Seguimos hablando de mi papá. We have, I admire my father. I want to be like my father. Again, it's the same topic, the same idea. No seguimos hablando del mismo tema de mi papá. Is it necessary to repeat my father? No, this is not necessary. Okay, the same. I want to be like my father. Es parte del mismo párrafo. No tenemos por qué repetir my father. Now, is it possible to change this for he? I admire he. I want to be like he. Is that possible? No. Why not? ¿Por qué no? Because it's not the subject, no es el sujeto. What is the subject? The subject is I. ¿Quién hace la acción? ¿Quién va antes del verbo? I admire. No, I. So he, that's impossible. So what can we do here? Aquí, ¿qué podemos hacer entonces? If we want to substitute, that's very simple. For that, we're going to use the object pronouns. Los pronombres de objeto, pronombres de complemento. ¿Por qué se le dice de complemento? Porque van en el complemento de la oración. Remember, guys, this is the typical structure for a sentence in English. Esta es la estructura tradicional para una oración en inglés. Any sentence. We have the subject, the verb, and the complement. Okay? And in the subject, we will always find subject pronouns. Subject pronouns. Remember subject pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. In the complement, we will always find object pronouns. In other words, object pronouns always come after the verb. Bien después del verbo. Subject pronouns, they come right before the verb. But which are the subject pronouns? Ya sabemos dónde van, en qué parte se utilizan, pero ¿cuáles son? Very simple, guys. The object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. They are actually the equivalent to the subject pronouns. So if you're talking about yourselves, está hablando ustedes mismos. If it's in the subject, we say I. If it's in the complement, we say me. Both of them mean the same. Significa lo mismo. Yo, no? So I and me, the same. Then we have you and you. This looks the same, no? He and him, she and her, it. We, us, you, they, and them. We have some other questions to check how to use this in a real context. Tenemos otras preguntitas para checar cómo se vería esto en un contexto más real. Una pregunta y respuesta. We have this question, guys. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? How can we answer this? Yes or no? Podemos responder sí o no. So, do you like chocolate? Maybe we say yes, I like. So, do I repeat chocolate, guys? ¿Lo repito? No, exactly, no, why not? Because that's the topic of the class, el tema de la clase. ¿Cómo sustituir, no? ¿Cómo utilizando los pronombres de objeto? Chocolate. What would be the correct way to substitute chocolate? Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Exactly, it. Why? Because it's an object, es un objeto. Objetos, animales, cosas. En singular, siempre va a ser it. So we say, do you like chocolate? Yes, I like it. Sí, me gusta. ¿Esto a qué se refiere? Chocolate. Now, we have another question. Do you enjoy, disfrutas, do you enjoy concerts? Okay. Concerts, that's a thing. Sería una cosa. Concerts, lo que tenemos que sustituir. Do you enjoy concerts? Let's say no. Nada más para ver la diferencia. No. Negative. Exacto. Don't. No, I don't enjoy. Substitution of concerts. It? Is this correct? No. Why not? It substitutes one animal object thing. It sustituye cosas, objetos, animales en singular. Si es plural, es them. No, I don't enjoy them. Okay? Or we have more examples. Do you love your mom? Okay. Do you love your mom? Yes. No, so we say yes. I love. But again, do we repeat my mom? ¿Sí llamo a mi mamá? No. Substitution of my mom. It's a woman. Yes, I love her. Sí la amo. Okay, guys. So we have page 106. We're going to do this exercise, the first exercise. You have to complete the sentences with the correct object pronoun, con el pronombre correcto. Okay? This is one homework. Page 100. We have these conversations. We have to complete them. We have to write the answer similar to the example. Hay que escribir la respuesta similar al ejemplo, ¿no? How often does your boyfriend call you? Acuérdense que esta es una conversación, ¿no? Está hablando una amiga con la otra. ¿Qué tan seguido te habla tu novio? He calls me. Ella dice, me llama. He calls me every night, ¿no? For example, number 1. How often do you use your computer? ¿Esta quién le está hablando? Esta pregunta es para ustedes, chicos. So, ¿qué tan seguido usas tú tu computadora? How often do you use your computer? I use, sustitución de computadora. I use it every day. Tenemos que utilizar también esta información al final de las oraciones. Okay? So that's it, guys. Let's get to work.